Hello, welcome. We are back. I finally have some free time. We are back to playing Satisfactory. So if you haven't watched my previous stream of Satisfactory, we just started with the basics, and now we will just continue on that. So welcome everybody, VOD viewers live, everybody here. You know what? Let's just grab our drinks. I have my coffee here right now. So I'm gonna play this for like a few hours or so. Just to continue the factory because the factory must freaking grow. So yeah, join me in my journey. In the end, hopefully we could finish this game, or at least have a very big progress, or at least go into a significant way. So anyway, we are back with our factory. So let's get acquainted in like what our previous goals were. So oh yeah. I remember we were able to make the iron rods. So I believe here you're able to merge this perfectly. Yeah, are able to create iron rods now in this one. And in addition, we are also able to create one full belt worth, or not really, almost a full belt worth of iron plates with this one. Half, I believe, because the other half was dedicated to... Wait a minute. Yeah. The other half was dedicated to the iron rods over here. So right now, our next goal is probably to make the nails. Yeah, nails. This one would be dedicated to nails. So if you are new here, what we did last time, we basically set up this insane smelter factory. Basically, they are taking one full belt worth of the iron ores, smelt them into steel, and then go over here. So what's our next goal? So how do we craft nails? So if I believe in order to create nails, let's see our crafting station over here. Also, I believe we have like power stuff, anything related to power over here. Also. So in order to create screws, I know it's not screws, it's something else, it's screws. We need to create iron rods. So basically I need to create like a copy of that one. However, like we can create like a copy of that one over on this side and allow it to just create like another set of that one and just have an additional to create the what do you call this? Create the steel ones. I mean the nails. Question is, how much nails do we actually need? So a screw. Oh, oh my god, you craft a lot, honestly. I think we could just take up like one iron rod worth and just turn it into screws. I think we could go with that. Yeah, I think we could go with that. Also, how's our concrete production? Because we need these to be able to craft more bases. Also, what the heck are freaking what do you call this? So we're creating copper here, I remember. Oh yeah, how's our power situation going? What is this? So see, do you have solid biofuel? You're still creating. You're still creating biomass and everything. So yeah, I think we have enough, right? Do we have like something in storage here? Like, do we have... Okay, you still have a lot. I could still create more, but I think for now... You know what? Let's just delete you. Delete this. And put all the limestone. Oh wait, we have enough limestone. Let's just get some more trees and stuff so we could have like a surplus of biofuel as well as solid biofuel. Yeah, by the way, how are you guys doing today? I'm doing fine. So our goal for today, let's set some goals so at least we are guided today. I think our goal for today is to be able to automate the copper side as well. Like, being able to automate the copper side would be so useful. Because it allows us to get rid of this very spaghetti. Like, I don't want spaghetti in a factory game. As much as, you know, it is like it is given, like in the later parts of the game, we will resort to a spaghetti form of what do you call this? A spaghetti form of factory. But at least for now, while it's still early, we could prevent the spaghettifying of everything. Anyway, let's just place. You are the wood, right? So I should have signs everywhere to place these things. Wood over there, while you are leaves. Okay, that should give us a few more hours of gameplay without breaking. Alright, so you know what? Let's see our crafting stuff here. We need. Let us create. What do we need to create? What do we need to create? Some of the factories. Oh, that's the emote wheel. So I need to be able to create. Let's see the requirements. So I need. You create 40. You just require 10 permit. You create 40. And if I remember correctly, the belts are 60. And you know what? Let's just take one for now. I think we could like create one factory level, I guess. Because I don't think we need that much rods, I believe. Well, famous last words in a freaking factory game. You could never have too much of anything. What we could do, or we could just what other things do we need for freaking plates? Because yeah, we could create like another set of iron plates. I think we need more iron plates in the future, so I think we could just have like another layer of building here. Like, let's try to align everything. Like, we could create. Where is the foundations? Like, we could probably expand this. Also, you know what? Let's grab some more of some iron plates here that we have been crafting. Like, look at this. Beautiful. At least we could start creating our foundation now. Yoink. How do I change the build mode again? Toggle build mode. Okay, zoop. Could create a lot of stuff here. Let's just cover everything up. Okay, yoink. That's so satisfying. Yeah, we could probably like have one more over here. Like probably try to. We could try to split these two up. Maybe we could split this one. I think we could split that one. Oh no, the spaghettifying is already starting to come to fruition. Okay, let's grab this. Let's try not to block you. Let's just try. Okay, look at that. Okay, that is much more satisfying. Like, we have our foundation now. Honestly, what we could do, since, you know, this is like we could have like a next step of production here. What I could probably do is split this up, have another chest over here, because we don't really I don't think we need that much. So we could have like a temporary solution for now. Where is that? We could like have a storage here. Where's our storage? Storage container. Okay, like we could align it like so. Probably somewhere here-ish. Just for the nails. And then production. Could have another one over here. Could you like snap towards that? Thank you. Like this. And this guy could align like that. Why are you not connecting? Are you the output? Did I do this like in a wrong way? In the wrong direction? Did I do that in a wrong freaking direction? Okay, yep. Oh wait, is this a merger? Oh my god, this is a merger. Frick. That's not a freaking splitter. It's a merger. I apologize for this one. I need to have splitter. Okay, never mind. Wrong direction again. Splitter, where's the input? There. Input. Input. And you. Yoink. 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 And you would be able... You will create screws. Thank you. You don't need that much. And then I will put some power lines on you. Probably here-ish. Yoink. Connect the wiring. Towards this fella. I think that's fine, right? Okay. Where the heck are you guys connected? You're connected. Oh, you're connecting two at a time. I see, I see. You know what? Let us do it. Let's do this instead. Let's remove you. Let's remove you. Let's connect. Let's connect. Let's connect this one to that one to this one. You connect to this. And you connect to that guy. And you connect to this one. Okay, how's our power situation? So our consumption, max consumption, and the capacity is still 180. So we could create a few more. Okay. So at least now we have screws now. Now we could add to the factory floor our... What do you call this? I mean our copper. Right? Like we could create copper cables and stuff. So you're creating cables. That's perfect. Okay, so here's the thing. What's your production? Yoink. Pam 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 pam. What's your production capabilities? You're 60 per minute, so that's one conveyor belt. You are... I believe you're also 60 a minute, right? While we're here, let's pick up some leaves. Chop down some trees. Chop down some trees. While we travel towards... Nice. Look at that. Deforestation, everybody. Deforestation at its finest. Pam 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 pam. Look at this. This tree is a goodbye. Look at that. The biomass. This could let us survive for like a few more. This could give us a lot of power. Yoink. Oh yeah, if you all didn't know, also why the heck are you there? Satisfactory has a slight secret. when it comes to fall damage. I'm not really sure if it's known because I didn't know this till like recently. But basically, the game's maximum fall damage is 97, I believe. So no matter how high you fall, even if you're like, I don't know, in space, but you're max HP, you can't get damaged, but you can't die instantly. That's what I'm saying. Basically, you're immune to dying from a very high height. Also, how the heck do I get up there again? Like, how the heck do I get up there again? Let's get up here. But I'm just gonna follow this one. I could use you like as a stair. Right? Like I could use you as a freaking stair. Jump! Okay, all planned. My factory is working as planned. You know, while traveling here, let's grab you. What? You respawn? What the heck? I didn't know you guys respawn. You're creating 60 a minute, so that's 1 copper. So I could move these guys into our copper production line. And we are creating cables and what do you call this? And copper wires easily now. Bam, bam, bam. So is it the same ratio as last time? Like we could try to add another floor later. Are the copper production the same? Yeah, 30. So I could create 2 of each. So I could create 4 in total. Similar to this one at our base. Also, let's drop off all of our biomass, our deforestation. How are you doing? Wood over here. Wood. Perfect. You are the leaves. Now we are able to craft more. So you guys are doing fine. Now let's try to set up our... what do you call this? Our copper smelting. Where is our foundations? Let's try to set up our copper smelting. Can we like expand like... what do you mean invalid placement? What the heck are you? I need to destroy you? What the heck? I don't really need that anymore, so... let me just get rid of the ores. You know what? I'm sorry. I need to free up my inventory space. Copper ores. Thank you. No, thank you. Oh yeah, I think we have enough of everything, right? Okay, let me grab foundation. Yoink. Let's expand this even more. So we have like a huge building that we could play off. Okay, let's grab you. Is having like 1 tile enough? I think I'm going to expand like that instead. Okay. Give me more copper. Give me more iron plates. Where's our iron plate production? Okay, honestly, we could just finish up the quest here. Yeah, let's turn it in. How are you doing? You're almost... our quest is almost done in that direction. Grab you. And we just need nails. Once we have nails, we'll be fine. Part assembly. Where is that? Where's our cable? Where did I put our cables? I think it was here, right? Yep, look at this. A lot of cables because we are amazing. And yeah, one of the reasons why I try to get this up and running is because I want to be able to just have these guys trickle in the resources once in a while. Like we could just AFK and explore and everything would be creating for us. Anyway, let's continue. Whoops, what the heck was that snapping? Where the heck are you snapping? Okay. Okay, that is done. You know what, concrete, I'm not really sure if I need more of you, but you know what, it's fine. I could probably start the production here, right? I just need that amount of space. So I need 4 smelters. Production. Need 4 smelters aligned like so. So honestly, you know what? I'm just going to use you to align align some stuff. Okay, let's start probably over here. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. And then your output. Let's have logistics. Let's have a merger. Let's have a merger like this. Probably like around that. I think that's fine. Then let's have this. Yoink. Let's do it like this, so at least it looks more organized. Do it like this, brother. Perfect. Look at that. That's much cleaner than our other one over there. So once you're done, you're combining into one. I could have... Where's our... Where is our... Storage containers? Okay, I'm gonna use you as alignment, please. Thank you very much. Is this perfectly aligned? Yes. And this one? Yoink and yoink. I'm just going to do connect you. You will create copper ingots. Copper ingots. So you are copper ingot factory. You'd store copper ingots. And then with copper ingots, we can... how's our constructors? We could create... Let's see what we need here. One would be cables, right? One would be wires. Oh my god, you only need 30. Okay, so you how much is our constructor? Okay. So you could create, this guy could create 4. Okay. For one conveyor belt of copper ingots, this could create 60. 40. So we could create 4 times 4. That's 120. That's 2 conveyor belts worth of wires. While on the other hand, for cables, you need the full belt of wires to create 1. Okay, you know what? It's fine. We could make do. Let's just have wirings ready for this one. Let's have you over here. You know what? Let's just have 1 of each, so at least it's not as complicated. And then we have the input wire at the back. You know, or maybe just right beside you. Like the input wire. That's perfect. Let's wire you up. Yoink. 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 Perfect. 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 So you guys are doing the thing. Also, how is our production going? In the next level, we need a lot of assemblers. If we could afford one. Can we like go up here? This thing is so useful. Okay, you. I need you. Do I have 500? I'm almost there. So right now, I need to expand this. Because I need a lot of assemblers. Foundations. What the heck is that? Oh, that's the miner thing. Okay. I was like, what the heck is that tall thing? I don't remember having stuff that tall. Okay, let's grab this. And now, our assemblers. We need 4 for that one conveyor belt. So, you know what? I'm just going to place you right beside each other. Or maybe, you know what? Let's leave a space. Or should I leave a space? I don't think we need to leave a space, right? Since I you know what? Or you know what? Let's have one more level. We could have one more level here. So what is the requirement for another level? So it's 2 big ones. 2 big ramps. And one... What's your ramp? What type of ramp are you? Ramp 2 meters. Okay. So 1. Okay, I don't have concrete. Hold the thought, hold the thought. I'm gonna get concrete. Okay, but before anything is, hold on. I'm just going to... Oh yeah, I forgot to actually create a post for this. Hold the phone. I'm gonna create a post on YouTube here, as well as on X, formerly known as Twitter. And then... hear me out. Wait up. I will post the title. Wait, hold on. Hold the freaking the stream. Let's grab this. Insert. Where was our Factorio stream? Mm-hmm. Dun, dun, dun. And on this one, let's see our freaking stream posts. Where is that post? Okay, here. Perfect. Live now. Come join and hang out. And then just post right now. Similarly, I'm gonna create a post on Twitter. I mean X, formerly known as Twitter. Let's share. Let's share this one. Where was that? I believe, yes. Share. Copy the link. Then upload. Where was that? Okay, this one. And we are live. Okay, I think we're good. We are good. Okay, we're back. We're back. Are we back? Yes, we're back. Okay, so I got kind of sidetracked there. Okay. Let us get our concrete back. Okay. Ow. Where's our concrete? Okay. Concrete? I don't care if our concrete would stay here forever. Pum 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 pum. But the factory must keep on here. Could I like have upside down stuff here to make this like less square or like less right angle-ish. Okay, where's that? Okay, 2 ramps. One small meter ramp. And our next level is finished. Okay, question is how are we going to attach this thing? Like, how are we going to attach everything here? Yoink. Like, look at that. We're building quite a big one here. Plus, it's so satisfying to build stuff like this. See, once you have all the production ready and automated, building a huge factory is becoming much easier now. So this will be our copper stuff. Where is my nails? I think the nails are right here. Perfect. Give me this, and we are able to send and get another upgrade. Pam pam. Whoop, wrong side. Send you. Press the big red button. Bam, baby. Okay, so what's our next step? Jump pads would be useful.
Milestone reached. The assembler can produce
hate
more
that so
complex
much.
parts, including the first project part, smart plating, which is crucial for initiating project assembly.
Could go this.
Project parts must be delivered to the space elevator. By completing your contracted duties as part of project assembly,
Sure,
you
why
will
not?
definitely be helping achieve Fix-It Company goals without any other ulterior motive. Note, humans cannot craft project parts. Do not worry about your inadequate crafting skill when compared to an assembler. Fix-It cherishes your innate human abilities, such as walking, striking objects, and commodifying natural resources.
I'm curious. I'm just curious. I will place more platforms right behind this so I could just test it out. Like, could we have, like, conveyor belt like so? Wait, I need iron plates. Iron plates. Like, could we have, like, because I want to connect all of these things. Like, this would be somehow aligned in a sense. Could I have it like... Because this is the iron level. I don't want to do anything with that. Let's have this one. So here's my plan. How far can I extend these conveyor belts? Ow. Can they just go back here? Like, how far can I extend a conveyor lift? I know people rarely use this thing, but how far? Oh, pretty far. What the heck? You know what I could do? Since this is a copper one, I will just going to do this. Let's make them one level higher. And then let's attach you here. Let's have something like so. I don't think this is a good idea, but let's have it like this. Like that. And you be it like that. Does that work? Are you connected? Let's test that out because I want to connect you like that. Like, look at that. That's so perfect. Oh my gosh. What the heck? I'm an insane. If that gets connected, then I'm a genius. But wait, you can only... Okay, that's one conveyor belt's worth. Let's go up one more floor. One more floor. Another floor. Oh, that's so freaking high. But we could have the... How the heck? Constructor. This is aligned like so. Okay, perfect. This is perfect. And then copper sheets. Okay, good thing I actually had this ready. So one could be copper sheets. What's your input? 20 a minute, so you could create 3. Oh, that's a lot. Okay. Okay, you know what? Fine, fine. So you would be... Change the recipe. You would be the wires. Perfect. And it could create 4 of you. 1, 4. Yoink. Okay. So now, you guys need to create a splitter for 4 of these. Oh, you know what? No problem. No problem. We can make do. Okay, hear me out. Power. Wait. Logistics. This. Wait, are you directly connected to it? You are. You just directly connect to it, I guess. But here's the thing. I must get this all the way up there. Is that the magic thing? Can I like connect you perfectly? Yes! Okay, good, 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 good. I need a ramp over here as well. Ramp, 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 ramp. Yeah. Can like aim down, please? Thank you. Okay. This is not what I planned, but okay. Now I need to be able to create a lot of you. Okay. You know what? Hear me out. You know what? Remove you. I don't really need it to be like that. I could immediately have a splitter that splits you into... Wait, how many do I need? You create... Can I like climb over this thing? Or like can I like ride one of these things? Oh, imagine if I could ride one of those. Okay, so here's the thing. I need to... So you gave us the 15. So one conveyor belt's full worth could have like 4. Could I have like floating... Hear me out. Could I have like floating splitters? Splitter. How does this work? Does this actually work? I'm not sure if that works as intended, but I don't think that's how it's intended to work. Okay, let's have another splitter. Split you into 1. You're gonna split into 2. And then I'm going to split the 2 into another 2. Or do I just split it up? You know what? I'm just going to split it upstairs. I think that's much simpler. This area's too cramped. So I'm just going to stick with that idea. Let's have the thing. Let's have the thing over here. I think it's connected right here, right? Are you connected like so? So let's just have it here-ish. Like around here. Connect you. I know I'm making a lot of complicated steps for this, but I want this to be perfect. Okay. Like this probably? Is this like the right height? I think this is the right height, right? Please tell me like this is the perfect height for this. Oh my god, is this the perfect height? You know what? Let's have another platform. I'm making it more complicated for myself. Okay, here. Let's have the... Where's the freaking conveyor belt? Okay, let's have it over here. Let's jump over here to at least have a better view. Okay. No. It's around... Wait, you know what? Let's have like a straight conveyor belt, I guess. Let's have it over here. Is that straight enough, right? And then... let's have it connected... here. Oh my gosh, this is so bad. I can't connect you in the perfect way. No. Okay, you must hear me out. Here's the plan. I'm just going to have it like so. Let's do it like this. Nope. Let's do it like this. Nope. Are you insane? Am I insane here? Okay, this is much better. Okay, now you connect to this guy. I know it's not like super straight, but at least it's somehow working. And now once we go up, I need to split it into freaking 4 groups now. Whew! This is much more complicated than it needs to be. But at least after this week, we will have our copper wires already intact. And before we turn anything on, let's see our maximum capacity first. Pam 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 pam. Okay, now let's split this guy. Into a freaking mess. Okay. Splitter. Let's have a splitter. That splits you into 4. Yoink. Yoink. Oh, wrong direction. We're organizing this one. Splitter. Like that. Splitter another one here. Like that. So this would split into 4 different parts. 4 different factories. Where is that? Constructor. Wait, how much is an assembler? I need those things. Frick. Okay. So a constructor. Didn't build that yet? Okay, fine. Foundations. Okay. We are missing more concrete, but no wonder. I know, no problem. We have a lot of concrete in the making. I said we have a lot of concrete in the making. Yoink that. We have our copper here. And we need our iron plates. So yeah, this would be our copper production. Wait, I could just directly... You know what? I don't mind. I could just directly have smelted them. But you know what? Having buffers is already fine. Also, our air is so freaking dark because I'm covering everything with a freaking foundation. Have some plates here. Let's have our copper nails. Nails, right? Screws. Screws or nails? I forgot which one is which. Bam, bam. And let's send this one. So our first field research is done. So we now have Hue equipment.
Reached. Supply the molecular analysis machine, referred to as the MAM, with
The
local
MAM! We
resources
finally
to
got the
research
MAM.
and develop new technologies. Potential technologies include exploration
yes.
tools, weapons, and factory buildings.
Oh my god, I just
These are
realized
essential
this
for
thing is not
maximizing your
freaking straight,
pioneer
dude.
efficiency and alignment with
This
Fixit's
is
core
bothering
pillars.
me.
Construct,
Not
automate,
fine.
explore, and exploit. To advance Fixit's mission, all notable phenomena, resources, technology, or other influence should be investigated regardless of any perceived danger, as stated in the Pioneer
Production.
contract.
Assembler. Let's have one aligned. Wait, no, not the assembler. The constructor. Let's have one aligned perfectly, like so. And then, honestly, I just have one right beside each other. Okay, saved. Okay, nice. Output, input, output to input, output to input. Yoink, output to input. Now you would be wires. Perfect. So you're requiring 3. Yoink. So I just need to convert you into like 1, and that would be like a full output of wires. So you would be 1 conveyor belt full of wires. So we need a merger. Merger, where is our merger? Merger, like so. Input like that. Perfect. Input. Input. And then I need more foundation. Foundation, please. Thank you. And then another one over here. Look at this. Our factory is growing. That used to be our tower. Now it's in the same level as us. Build another tower. And then you will be placed in a storage container. Okay, now that should be our... Oh yeah, look at that. Our freaking thing arrived. And then you... What's the production for cables? Okay, so I could just have these guys merge. Am I right? Production. Yeah, I could just have these guys merge and output into one. Okay, we're good. Like merge you. Instead of having a container, let's have one more step and then output into another one. Okay, we are gaming. We're gaming. But before anything else, I want to be able to do this. Expand our horizons. This would be our main base. Look at that. Perfection. Building tall, baby. Okay. Question is, please don't die. Because I can't build 2. I need more of those metal plate thingies. which I'm not able to craft yet, I need to craft manually first. Pam pam pam. Okay, now I could build you. Tier 2. I could have resource sink. I hate you so much. A Mark 2 conveyor belt already? Yeah, I don't think. You know what? Let's go for a jump pad. I don't know how to create that yet, but... Okay, I have an object scanner now. Okay. So you don't have an input yet. Okay, you know what? Let's have... Where's the conveyor belt? Okay. Let's have the input like probably like this. And then let's have like a splitter. Like this. Question is, would everything fit? So you're going to split. You know what I could do? I could, since the what do you call this? Since you guys are going from that direction, I can just do it like this. Yoink. Just have one above you, right? Does that work? Like you just connect directly to that. You just correctly to that, right? Like, is that a thing? Is that a thing that I could do? I don't really need to be able to do like a perfect input. Just enough, I guess. Similarly, I think this is where I'm just going to spaghettify everything. Let's have it like this. Okay, those two inputs would be insane. And the question is, where am I going to connect you guys? You know, let's just connect the power immediately. So you would be the main power. I think I could split this guy. Connect you to this. Okay. So you're not working yet, but you will work soon. I need to rehydrate. Rehydration time. Rehydration time. Okay. Also, I need to connect your power. Oh wait, wait. Hold on. Before anything else, let me just a merger. Do you have like an alignment something here? No, let's do it like this. Merger. Pam pam. Perfect. Then you would be a constructor. Like this. You will be creating cables. And then from cables, you would be put into a storage container. Just like that. Our storage area is done. Okay, for our line connection, they will be a main wire over here, small wire, small power pole. I'm just going to have some power poles here, and one over here. So you connect to you, you connect to you, you'll be connected to you because you're the closest. Now for wire. Pam pam. Okay, so our wiring is done. So we will now have automated... Nope. We will now have automated cables and everything. That is done. However, where will I connect to you? I could have like a power pole. Let's have one over here. So I could see where I'm placing this thing. Do you guys have like a power line that I could use? I could have one over here. Let's have another one in case I need more connections. So you will be connected right above here. Okay. So our power lines are connected now. Wait. You know what? Let's go up. Let's go up. I think I can make this more organized. Then once we are able to create those pneumatic stuff, we will be off to the races. Let's have you. Let's extend you by one. I apologize, but you need to be destroyed. And the reason I want to do this is I want to connect you instead. And you here. Let's remove this wire. So now, okay, our max consumption 183 and our capacity is 180. We could have more. We could add more power to our already existing power line. With that, we could probably add more. We could probably get more of these. Let's just deforest our annual deforestation. Oh, just pick up the leaves. This will be the main source of our fuel. Much more refined. We could probably add like, I don't know, 2 more. Or we could like, yeah, we could probably add 2 more. Nice. Bam, bam. Okay, let's grab that. And now let's try to expand our existing power situation, I guess. Also, look at that. We're having a backlog of stuff. Backlog of power. Let's have you. Let's have this one. Okay, so I'm kind of worried for... Never mind, I'm not worried at all. Okay. Let's try to spaghettify our burners. What I could do, honestly, have 1, 2. I'd be running like, how the heck am I supposed to connect those guys? Well, okay, so I need another splitter for this one. So, splitter. So I'm going to split you once and split twice. Okay, no, let's do it like this. Splitter over here. This is the most spaghettify of the spaghettify that I could do this with. So let's remove you first. Let's have connected. I hate this. Let's have you connected like so. Could we like fit another? Because I want to do this. Yoink. Let's remove. Let's have this guy be connected to the one at the back. There are power poles there. Never mind. I accidentally placed the input for the power poles right there. What do you mean? What's clipping? What the heck? Where are you clipping, dude? You know what? I don't care. Let's move this power line over here. You know what? Let's just remove you. I don't care. Power. Let's place the biovascular way, way back, I guess. These are rudimentary. Okay, you are going there. You are going here. So that's 2 added already. You, on the other hand, let's have you connected to the back one. Power. Let's have it way back here. Let's have a power line, connect. Okay, that's 2 more power. That's 2 more power done. Now I just need to connect. You know what? Since you're freaking having a backlog, might as well do that, right? I think our wood supply can handle it. There's like, how much are you doing? So you're doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 powers on you? Yeah, you're doing 5. And the burners consume 4 per minute. And you craft 60 per minute. I know. Biomass. Wait. And you craft, 60 per minute. So we are well stocked with our freaking power source. And look at that, our capacity is 240 now. And with that, I believe we could have the input for our copper already done. I think we could do that, right? Once we have our copper. Yeah, and this would be... Okay, you know what? Let's try it. Let's remove the copper production. Let's have it directly. Let's remove the smelter. Let's remove you. But I will not remove the storage containers just yet. Let's have it be connected. Like probably... Let's elevate it by once. Let's elevate it like... Let's elevate it like so. Connect you to that one. And you should be able to... Wait, no. You know what? Let's connect like that. You should be able to do everything perfectly. So that's 1 copper belt done. Let's remove you, and you, and you, and you. How much are we getting? Let's remove the ores because I don't really need this. I mean the smelted stuff. Let's sort it. I need the wires and cables though, so that's fine. Okay, you know what? Let's just place... let's just place it like this. So at least we have like some form of continuity. So our input would be the one getting spaghettified in a sense. Then let's have it like so. Probably here-ish. Let's do it like this. Have you... You know what? I don't care if some clipping might occur. There! Okay, so we now have our copper production. Let's see our magnificent magnum opus. Okay, we're smelting. Now they're merging. Now it's going up here. Are you going up there? Okay, let's go up. Let's go up. And once we have those automated cables done, everything would be fine and dandy. Okay, let's grab some plates while we're at it. Bam bam. Plates are done. So yeah, they're carrying it all the way up. Carrying all the way up over to here. So how's our power situation? We're doing fine. So right now, look at this. They're crafting. These guys are crafting the wires. Perfect. You are also crafting the wires. But you will be crafting the... what do you call this? The cables. Okay, perfect. Okay, we're good, we're good. We're good on this side already. Okay, we're done. So right now, how the heck do I create an assembler? Assemblers need those things. Oh, we could create a MAM. I'm curious about... Oh, you know what? Let's create a MAM. Also, how much is a space elevator? That's a lot. Okay, let's create a MAM. I don't know. I don't know where to create a MAM. Probably near our base. Can I fit it over here? You know what? Let's fit it on the other side. How about you? Can I fit a MAM over here? Okay, let's have a MAM. Okay, what is this? Rewards alien protein? What the heck? What does this do? No tree to analyze. What the? Oh, inventory slots and everything.
Belong to an organism now dubbed the fluffy-tailed hog.
Okay.
It has many characteristics that would likely classify it among the Suidae family were it native to Earth.
Oh, I threw
remains
everything.
Can now be made into alien protein, and additional research may
Power
reveal
slugs?
options for improving pioneer safety during exploration.
Power slugs? Yellow power slugs. Insane.
This semi-slug, now dubbed power slug, is
Okay.
early in its life cycle and has
You know what?
retained
We're
only
fine, we're
part
fine
of its
with that.
potential energy storage capacity, giving it its blue color.
Okay, so while that's happening...
Power slugs are capable of extracting latent energy from their surroundings, including through a form of photosynthesis,
probably
and
try to
preserve it in their
create
porous semi-crystalline shell over their lifetime. This explains why they
rotors.
rarely move after having found a suitable
Oh my God, this is
location.
insane. We need to create a lot of these. So yeah, rotors, basically... Wait, I need to create reinforced iron plates, right? Okay, I need more cables. Okay, you know what? Let's do it one at a time. Let's see what else can we craft here. Where do I need you? Concrete, cable, copper sheet, modular frame. Rotors, so you don't really need... I don't think I need... freaking copper sheets yet, right? So I could focus on creating this thing that needs you and you. And the rotors need cables and... Okay, you know what? Fine. I could create... But let's do that later. Let us finish up... Ooh, wait a second. We could probably try to create copper sheets since we have space, right? Like we could start creating copper sheets as well. Since I think that's the only other thing we could do with copper. And question is, how much do I need? Like I could add like another one over here-ish. Foundation. Copper production. Oh, you need the rotors. Okay. But I want to automate the plates first though. So let's space you around here-ish. That's around here-ish. I need copper sheets. You just need 20. So I could have 3 of you. That's simple enough. 3 of you. Could I like fit yoink and yoink? What do you mean surface to uneven? Do I need more foundations? Where is it? Constructor. This would be easy enough, right? Like I could just do it like this. A splitter. Like that. Splitter. Yoink. Easy. Perfect. And then you shall be merged also. Ayot, let's merge you into merger. Whoop, wrong side, brother. Pam pam. Wrong side, and then where is my storage? So at least I could start with this one. It's relatively simple anyway. Storage. Storage like so. Yoink. And then power poles as per usual. One there. One there. One there. Okay, now that's done. Now I just need to connect everything. Where is my conveyor belt? Okay, lift. Everybody lift. I could create like a lift here, I guess. And then it would be aligned around there-ish. Like just below this one, right? There. That would be the input. Can I have stairs, please? Yoink. That would be the input, so I could just literally do the same thing with this one. Have it like so. Then go over here. Do it over here, I guess. Then here-ish. This is the straight line, right? Okay, let's do it like this. And then connect you like that. Okay, you know what? That's fine. I don't care. Okay, so now that is doing its thing. Why are you not... Did I not set you up? Are you not connected? What? Oh, I didn't connect you. I see. I forgot to connect the... what do you call this? I forgot to connect the copper ores on that side. Pam pam. There. Now you should be able to do your thing. And now let's create... what do I need? Copper plates, right? Reinforced plates, yes. So I need... Okay, how's our power situation? Still doing fine. We're way, way above our needed threshold. Let's try to do... So our copper area here is doing fine. Do we need to add another floor? That's the real question. Oh, wait, I need nails, not this thing. Nails and copper things. I mean, no, not iron plates. I need iron plates. Bam, bam. And I need screws. Bam. Assembler. I need more of those. Reinforced plates. Look at this. They're working. My factory is working. Okay, let's just craft these. So it needs iron plates. A lot of iron plates. So what's your consumption though? That's the real question. Like I could create... Like I could possibly create like just an automation here. Like let's just see. Smart plating? Damn. Reinforced iron plate. So you receive 30 a minute. And you receive 60 a minute of screws. So you can get a full belt of screws. As well as a full belt of plates. You know, half a belt of plates. So literally... we are going to need... Oops. We overshot it. You need... Okay, at least we will have a surplus of iron plates. The question is, will we have a surplus of nails? No. So we could probably have this thing over here dedicate itself to creating what they call this? To creating the reinforced ones, right? Like what we could do is putting out my calculator here. I don't think we... So if we use two constructors to create iron plates and just split them, and the other one will create the iron rods, and the iron rods would create... Okay, I think we could do this. So this is how it is going to work, okay? I need a space, so I could probably utilize this area if I could fit. I'm going to try to utilize this area in order to fit this. I just need 3 constructors, so this is relatively free. I just need 3 constructors. 1, 2, and 3. One of you would create iron rods. 2 of you would create plates. Like so. And then the iron rods would be turned into... iron would be turned to screws. Bam. And then the assembler, which I don't have reinforced plates yet, would be turned into that. Okay, we are winning. Okay. Where is our... Okay, let's go back there again. And now we will be able to create reinforced iron plate for days. What do I need for... The question is, what do I need for rotors? Honestly, those things are not that bad. I could probably create a few of those. I need a lot. I need 8 at least. But you know what? Let's just craft even more. Since we're here anyway, right? And since we're here, I'm just going to take a sip of my coffee here. So yeah, we are doing insane works. Pam 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 pam. So you guys are doing well. Like I could possibly fit all the iron stuff over there. And I know I could just spaghettify, but having these vertical stuff is so useful. Makes things look so clean. Okay, okay. Okay, assemblers. Running, how am I going to place you? So I'm just going to align. Probably it like so. Oh my gosh, it's so huge. I realize it's just so huge. Do I have space above? You know what? Let's just add it to the other floor, maybe? Since we have space for it. That's huge though. Like, could I like remove some of the floors over here, dudes? Or you know what? Let's try not to complicate ourselves. Let's just expand. Let's just build it over there. Like over here. So you know what? Let's just build it right there. I know we're starting to spaghettify everything already. But I think it's fine. Where's our concrete? But I didn't expect it to be that tall. Pam pam. At least now we have like easy access to like these areas. Can I like jump over this? Nope. Okay, oh. What the heck are you? Get destroyed. I forgot that you guys existed already. Come here. Get zapped. Get zapped, baby. What type of node are you? Oh, you're iron? You're both iron. Okay, I could have like another dedicated one for you guys. Okay, that's fine. We're doing insane. This is actually really good for us. Okay, hear me out. We could have our assemblers over here. Let's remove you. Let's have this one. We could have the assemblers over here though. Okay, assembler time. Assembler, okay. So now, let's just make sure we face it in the right direction. Yoink. And then give me more foundation. Storage. Perfect. So you will be getting reinforced iron plates. And then in order to make things a little bit organized, let's have the input be like this. So one of your inputs. Let's have a merger. Let's not forget the merger. Let's merge these things. I know there might be some bottlenecks here and there, but it's fine. Connect you to this side. Pam pam. Yoink. Let's look at like this. Okay, you are aligned somewhere like here. So you're aligned on this line. Okay, let's do it like that. 2 levels. Are you like a straight line? Yeah, somehow. Then, as per usual, do the same thing. Do the same thing over here. Oh, that's too freaking angular, dude. Let's move it just a bit. Like probably around here. You know what? what? I could possibly have done it like way easier. But you know what? That this looks better in my opinion. Like yeah, honestly, this looks much better. Wait, I could just move it like. You know what? I just made myself. I just made things be really complicated for no reason at all. Let's remove you. I don't want to do this. Just do it like this instead. I know my freaking organization skills are freaking getting in the way. Let's do it like this. Let's have you. Let's have you. Can I like extend the platform even more, please? I said extend the platform. Jarvis, extend the platform. Okay. Where are you? Here. Perfect. Now you go insane. Insano mode. Do the same thing though. Align it with this one. No, that's too far. Never mind. Let's align it like possibly here-ish. Look at that. Perfect. Now, let's not forget to add a power pole. Yoink. Power pole to you. Power pole. I forgot that this thing is power pole. Power pole. Power pole. Now let's just connect everything together. And hopefully we have enough power. Wait a minute. Oh, we're missing cables. I was like, why am I not connecting stuff? We are missing cables. Pam pam pam. At least now if we have like 2 more of the ores and everything, we could have at least another set of smelters for the iron. There's our cables. Let's see our cable production. Oh, look at that. Perfection. Why are you not crafting? Are you like full or something? You're not receiving ores? Oh. Did I not tell you to create copper sheets? My bad, my bad. I forgot to tell you to create copper sheets. Okay, cable. I repeat, cable. Connect you. And how's our power situation? Still fine. I repeat, we are still fine. Okay, so now that should allow us to create some iron plates. The question is now is to connect everything. Connect everything to the logistics. Now this is starting to look like a factory. Oh my gosh, you are clipping. No. Okay, you know what? That's fine. Let's have a splitter. Let's have a freaking splitter. I think this is fine. Yoink. 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 Okay, how is our factory doing? Now I just need to create this guy. I just need to make sure your output. I said your output would allow us to do our own thing. Nice. Then let's just follow this line. Look at how satisfying this is, dude. Okay, let's move it like so. Having like 90-degree turns is insanely good. Let's do it like this. With at least like this. Then lastly, yoink. Perfect. So you are at least going to start create our beautiful reinforced plates. And with that, we can automate the production of our rotors next. And we could utilize these guys over here. Oh my gosh, can I like have a freaking platform here, dude? Okay. Could utilize these dudes over here for some additional production. Let's just remove this, so at least we have what do you call this? So at least we have some space already. I know I don't really need this. Bam, bam, bam. How's our production? I need you cost 5 megawatts. Okay, so let's see how everything is going. Okay, you're splitting. Are you crafting though? Are you crafting? Okay, you're doing something. Okay, you're crafting. Okay, everything's crafting. I repeat, everything is crafting. Everything is crafting as planned. So now we should be able to create. Okay, the nails. Okay, and the plates. Okay, this should be fine. Like, I don't care if this is saturated or not, I think. Because you guys, since you are having 60 divided by 3, that's 20. You're having 40. So you're doing 4/3, which is around 25 a minute. 25, 27 a minute. It's not really perfect. So at least you're satisfying this thing, at least, in a sense. I could have some mergers here and there if I really need to. But at least for... Oh, look at this. Our very first assembler. And then look at this. Our very first reinforced iron plates, baby! Okay, so now we need... You know what? I'm gonna create some 2 miners, at least. Like, this could be like our main thing. And oh yeah, look at this, it's clipping. You know what? I'm just going to remove you. So at least you're not really covered. I'm going to get a portable miner. And how is our... Okay. Okay, we're having surplus now. That's a good sign. Could have another one. How about for you? Okay, you're not having surplus at all. So our next plan could probably be expanding the iron network. Let's have another set of those guys over here, the smelters. They could have another set of those guys. And I don't think if we have enough space, we could probably like expand here. I don't think we have enough space. Anyway, while that's happening, while we are creating all of our iron plates we're building, let's gather some fuel. Since we could probably need to expand soon anyway. So yeah, goodbye trees. Goodbye my fellow plants. Look at us, we could have another story afterwards. The factory keeps on growing. Bam bam. Get the leaves. Do we have enemies over here? I don't think so. Oh, we have baleberries. We could research some of those. I don't know what those are, but you know what? Fine. Pam pam. What that? Destroy the wildlife. Explore. You know what? This is a good time to also explore our factories. Okay. Beryl nuts. Pam pam. Nice. Is that a copper node or is it just ore? I think that's just ore. Something glowing up there. What the heck? Perfect. Look at that. Plus with all the leaves that we're getting. Yoink. Yes. Yes. Okay, now we could like utilize this and have like another section of the factory. And yeah, look at this. We're creating magic. We're creating wonders. How much did you make in like a few? Okay, we got 13. Like, that should be enough. Keyword should. So anyway, let's expand our power situation. Again, leaves, all the leaves. And then all the wood. Yoink, yoink. And then I could probably try to expand, like, I could probably add 2 more. Question is where am I going to fit 2 more of these guys? Power. You know what I could do? We could start doing it like this. Three of those. And then give me some splitter. Okay, I need iron plates. Oh yeah, like we could just add those things. Pam 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 pam. Oops. Pam pam. Oh my gosh. Did I just make it the same alignment as the other one? And now it's slightly tilted? Or did I do it right this time? Anyway, anyhow, anywho. Yoink, yoink, yoink. What the heck is this? Oh, your ores. You know what? Goodbye. Goodbye, ores. Okay, I thought those were like another thing. Okay, where was I again? Okay, expanding our power situation, so at least we could afford more assemblers and more miners. And plus, we're having a surplus anyway, so might as well. Could I have like conveyor lift? Would I have like this? Perfect. So now I need some way somehow to connect you guys. Wait, if I remove you, would we lose power? How much are you providing? I'm providing 30. So I remove 30. I think we could still survive, right? Okay, good. Our dude freaking survived. Anyway, Can I have it like so? This is the like, compare this side of the map to like the other one. This is spaghetti versus no spaghetti. Can I like fit you? Like, this is spaghetti versus no spaghetti. Could I have like that? Like that. So at least with this, we're like splitting. Okay, so now look at this. Our capacity is now at 300, baby. Look at that. So much. So look at this. This is like the spaghetti-fied version compared to the well-organized mega factory over here, guys. See the difference? See the difference in like organization? Like down here is like, ooh, savage. No organization. And then up here with our mega base, we are more organized. Like over here, look at this. The factory is growing. Why do we have leaves on our inventory? Did I not deposit you guys? Okay, look at this. Yeah, look, we have 30 now. That's nice. Because it's so good. Everything just looks so good. Like, look at this organized factory. And then, oh yeah, we could research some stuff as well. Let's drop off the leaves. Oh, wrong side. Drop off the leaves. And we could research some stuff. Like we could research this. Pale berries. Let's research this one.
This fruit, dubbed the paleberry due to its tendency to stay light in color even when ripe, is compatible with the human digestive system and has been added to the object scanner. Further research is available.
Nutritional
this fruit, dubbed the
reprocessor.
barrel nut after its distinctive color, is compatible with the human digestive system and has been added to the object scanner. Further research is available.
Okay, before anything else, let's our next step, since we already got the copper nodes, let's try to create another assembly. Like, let's try to create rotors this time. And rotors require a lot of iron, I believe. So let's just create like another set of saturated areas here of production. Like, we could have it like this. And like that. And let's create question is how we're going to organize this. You know what? Let's do it like this. Instead of you guys going that direction, let's expand our base. Like this way. And then you guys would have the privilege and luxury to be the first one to utilize this area of the map. A more like open area while everything's just under us. So I need more concrete. Oh, seeing all the greens and the yellows is so satisfying. Nope, that's not it. Concrete. Are you here? Oh my god, you're literally under everything. Once we create rotor automation, we are able to create jump pads, which allow us to move vertically easier. Go to the higher levels of our base easier as well. Now on this side of the map, we could just have like the upper floors be connected. So anyway, production, mines, let's face it like this. You have a lot of space anyway, so might as well go here, right? So your output is 30 per minute. 30 per minute. Okay, never mind. I could just merge you in one area. Like so. Let's have the merger. Like this. And then you guys could... I'm going to utilize this as a ramp. Pam pam. So you guys would have a lift facing probably this way. Foundation. And yes, I'm making a lot of these things. So yeah, this entire area would soon just be one big factory. And then, you know, while we're here, destroy you. Destroy all the flora and fauna behind everything. And yeah, later on, I'm just going to color everything green in order to fake the wildlife. And then yeah, production. So you are only 60, right? So for the smelters, you could supply 30 a minute. So literally, you could only... I don't even need to merge you, but you know what? It's fine. It's the spirit of the merger and assemblers. So I'm going to assign you to... where's the splitter again? I don't really need to do this. It's the spirit of the thing. Yoink. Okay, so now you are creating iron ingots. So you are releasing a 30 a minute. The question is... oh yeah, I need to create more rotors to be able to craft another assembler. But yeah, the assembler's doing its thing. Look at that. It's lacking some materials, but at least we're creating like reinforced iron plates automatically now. It may not be 100%, but at least it's better. But could I create a ramp here? This is getting annoying to traverse. Is this enough? Okay. Okay, you guys are having surplus at least. You guys, how about you? Are you having surplus? Yes, at least some of you are getting surplus value. Because I'm scared of my power source like running out. Suddenly like, ooh, the fuse broke. Worst thing you could hear in a freaking Satisfactory game. How much rotors do I need? Do I need that much rotors? Okay. Don't need that much rotors. Okay, look, I could utilize it. That's nice. Pam pam. Production. Assemblers. Okay. So how much do you need? Rotors need 100 screws per minute? Are you insane? I can't even do that much speed, but you know what? It's fine. So I just need to create... I need to turn everything into iron rods. 20 per minute, 100 per minute. So I need a lot of screws for this one. So in order to turn you into iron rods... 15 per minute. So I could split... these guys. Splitter. I could split these guys like so. And have production. Turn everything into iron rods. Where is it? Production constructor. Is this like the middle of it? You know what? Let's assign it like I know it's not the middle, but having it like so would I think be much better for us. Like having it like this. You know what? I don't care. Yoink. 4. 4. Rods. 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 Okay. So you are creating 15 a minute. So I could split one of you guys, honestly, to create since how much are the nails? Screws. You can only output 40. So I could have 2 I guess. So you know what, fine. Let's turn into everything rods. And have 2. Since my conveyor belts can't do anything more than that. And plus it makes it much easier to organize, I guess. And then you. And then you as well. Oh, wrong side. Okay, now that is nice. And then we could have a conveyor belt here going back. Creating the assemblers, connecting back to the assemblers. Can I have like additional space? Like how much are you taking? You're taking in that line, so I could fit like this one. So you're aligned at the very edge, so I could do it like this. And like I could still fit in the middle. Okay. So now you will be rotors. 15. So honestly, my conveyor belts can't do anything that fast, but at least you're creating rotors immediately. Let's just place the storage box, storage compartment immediately there. Then just smack dab. Just have a very long conveyor belt over here. Are you aligned? Are you aligned? So you're aligned to this one. So you guys are doing your thing. Okay, good. Now you just need to have a U-turn. I guess you guys would be like a good... give me more foundation, I guess. Yoink. Zoop. I like how the name of the thing is Zoop. Also, I will deforest everything below me. Bam bam. Destroy 1,000 foliage. You got the achievement for that. That's nice. Okay. That's good. Now we can go back. We have a lot of leaves in our inventory. And once we create rotors, look at this. We are doing a lot in like a short span of time. It's like the most efficient. Not really efficient. Like the factory is growing. Okay, so now I need to have an additional. So you guys would be constructors. I'm just going to create direct line, I guess, towards nails, right? Let's just do it like this. This might not be the most efficient way, but you know what? It's gonna do its job. So you guys, I could merge you. Since you're creating screws. I could just merge you. I know I will lose like some value, but it's the only way. So let's merge you. Where's the output? And also, I'm going to merge you. Input there. No, not input there. Input here. There. Bam, bam. So now you will be inputting like on this line. Okay, so this is the line. Perfect. What the? Is that not straight? No, that's not straight. What the heck? Is it not straight? Or is it... Are my eyes deceiving me? Are you actually not directly aligned? Oh my gosh, you're not directly aligned. Okay. See, you are directly aligned like that. Okay. That was my bad, I guess. And then similarly, you are, yes, like this. That's the direct alignment. Oops. There's the direct alignment. Then you, I will move you. So yeah, we're working with a lot of space here. So this is like the best line. And you are the best connection. Perfect. Similarly, you... let's have a merger. Where's the input? Wait, are you the right thing? Okay, you are the right thing. Okay. I was so confused there for a moment. Let's do it like this. So at least they're like somehow... Whoops. Somehow connected in one way, shape, or form. Okay, let's do it like this. Perfect. Everything looks so much beautiful if they're like connected. Okay, let's connect you on this line. Are you perfectly aligned? Yes. And are you straight as a fiddle? Okay, now we create the power lines. So you would be... Yoink. No. Honestly, let's do it like this. Yoink. Yoink. And then similar to here. Yoink. I'm sure this is going to cost a lot of power. Whoops. Then similar wiring. Connect you to this. Connect you to this guy. You connect to each other. You would be connected to this wiring pole. Connect to that. Perfect. Similarly, you guys would have your own power system. Yoink and yoink. Yoink and yoink. Then you guys would also have your own power system. Which these guys would connect to. Okay, so you guys are already getting power. And this one have its own power system, which is connected to this little fella over here. And you would be connected to that. You guys should be doing as well. Okay, you are creating rotors. Okay, we are still at capacity, 263. That was a lot of electricity just to create rotors. So you guys are going to mine now. Perfect. So once you are done mining, you are now able. These guys would turn into iron ingots. And then, oh yeah, forgot. I almost didn't connect to you guys. Split into these fellas. So you're perfect. You're creating 30 a minute. It's not the best. And then you guys are going to bring everything all the way around to create all the rotors that we need. So you are going to create the screws. Yes, yes, perfection, baby. Did I have like lookout tower over here? Because I want to see everything. Climb, baby, climb. Pam pam. Okay, the game is telling me. You know what? You know what? I'm gonna grab a coffee here. Look at that. That looks so good. And then those guys. Oh, look at this. I realize I'm so bothered by this thing. Like, this is not really aligned, but you know what? That's fine. That would be like an Easter egg. Like, look at this. You know what? It's fine. Everything would not. I could do that later. Future cheesecake cactus is going to enjoy that. Okay, so this is fine. This is good. And then once everything is, we can create jump pads now. Do you have anything else? How much? So yeah, that's iron ore. Are those all the iron ores that we can get there? Oh, there's more over there. That's like a far away land. I can do that later. But look at this. The items are flowing. They're flowing. Then over here, create all the rotors that we need. So now, while that's happening, we can just craft. You know what? Let's deforest. Let's make sure our supply of electricity would stay perfectly. Would stay perfectly the same. Also, you know what? Let's try to explore the closest iron. Like, it's way up there. So we can try to explore that side of the map. While we are gathering all the... Oh, it's up there. Hold on. It's up there? Also, goodbye, tree. Platform. We're using freaking foundations now. Okay, it's nearby. Oh wow, those are a lot. You could literally go get a lot of stuff there. Pam pam pam. Grab this thing. Perfect. So how far is it? Is it up here? Oh, those are a lot of nodes. We have 2 nearby. Although, okay, those are 2. There's also insane number of nodes there. We could have like this area be focused on getting iron stuff. That could be like an idea. Like, we could like have a create like an outpost over here. Just to smelt everything together. And just deliver all the needed stuff back at base. Yeah, we could utilize this. This area is pretty nice as well. Also, come here. Ow! Excuse me. Come here. Yes, I don't care if I get hit. Get destroyed, baby. So yeah, we're pretty close to copper. How many nodes are there? Yeah, look at this. These are really good nodes. Like, we could make something out of here. Like, maybe in the next stream that we're going to do, we could probably expand to this side. Look at this. Are these all iron? Yes, these are all iron. Those 4 nodes of iron over here? That's insane. Okay, let's go back. At least now we have like our next goal if we need to do more automation and stuff. So let's go back to the hub. While we clear everything. Yeah, there's 2 over here. Yeah, we're getting a lot of leaves and a lot of trees. We're getting a lot of biomass. Oh wait, hello! I seen you in the opening. Hello. Okay, I guess he's afraid. To be fair, I'm deforesting everything. Deforestation. No wonder that guy's scared. Right. There'll be 2 iron over here that we could use. We could just make it... Ooh! A slug. A power slug. Did we already have that? Or did we have the green one? Yeah, anyway, let's just try to research it. Yeah, there's a good spot. And look at that. Look at my factory from here, dude. Hey, everything looks so nice. Also, can I like eat some of these things? How do I eat you? Consume. Okay, that regains my HP, I guess. Let's grab you. Back in our inventory. While that's happening. Get destroyed. Excuse me. Get destroyed, baby. Oh, we got another power slug over here. Like, look at their base. Oh, it looks so good from up here. Like, look at that. That is our production. Everything's doing well. Everybody's assembling that part. That's also another part. Oh, we could expand our factory, like, over here. Like, this is such a good place to do a factory. And then we could bring everything from this side, just way up above here. We could smelt it in, like, an upper floor or something. But yeah, that's pretty good. Anyway, let's try not to die here. Okay. Pam pam pam. Power slugs. Oh, there's the blue one. I have the blue one. Oh wait, I need some of these things. Wait, already have some of these. A lot of these are done. Scannable object power slugs. Add to-do list. I have no idea what's going to happen here. Inflated pocket dimension. So it's literally expanding the stuff. Rebar gun. Cost. I need 5. How do I create 5? Alien protein. How do I create alien protein? How do I create alien protein? Oh, wait. Can I just do... Yeah, do it like this? Oh, we can create power shards? Can I, like, what does this do? Slug mucus it reaches strange power. Oh, it adds 7.5 per minute? Ooh. That's nice. Wait, hold on. Before anything else, let's just deposit all of our relevant stuff. So for you, the leaves. Let's deploy all the leaves and let's deploy all the wood. Okay, seeing these things getting backed up is so freaking nice to me. Kinda scared for this one. They're not getting backed up at all. But you know what? Let's save that for later. Everything's so cramped, dude. Okay, nice. Next step in our building plan is to be able to... Let's see what we need here. Okay, so you are getting a lot. At least you're utilizing this thing like easily. Similarly, I wonder what these are though. Standby, copy paste settings. Okay, 60 a minute. So I could create more of these guys, right? Are you getting backed up in some way, shape, or form? I think... So you need 10 per minute, 40 per minute. Can I like have 15 per minute? 60 divided by 3, 20. Oh, you need... You know what? Fine. What if I place like a slug production? Screw it. Can I like input the power slug thing over here or something? It says producing constructor and crafting bench. Can I like the slugs somewhere here? I'm not really sure. Okay, but yeah, look at this. All the screws are doing its thing. And then look at that, 20 rotors already. We are going to places. 64. And now these guys are going to do their thing all day long. Plus, it's so satisfying to look at the assemblers do their thing. Okay, well, that's happening. Let's create our own rotors while we're at it. And with that, I would need a lot of screws and a lot of bars. I need a lot of those, and then we could craft a lot of rotors for our next step. Jump pads would be amazing in this area. Pam 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 pam. Jump pads, jump pads. So I need nails. Yoink and yoink. And I need bars. So one of the reasons why I'm having this is to be able to craft the other stuff. Anyway, 50 rotors. 50. Okay, I could create most of them, like by hand. And while that's happening, I'm just going to take a quick sip of my cup of coffee here. Whoops. I spilled it all over my thing. Hold on. What? I spilled it all over my desk like a freaking madman that I am. Okay, I think that's good. We're good, we're good. I spilled my coffee, dude. Good thing I have a freaking towel on hand. I hope it doesn't stain though. Coffee stains are really annoying to get. Okay, how many rotors do we have? Also, I'm just going to spray a bit on my freaking mouse because my mouse is really sticky right now. And it's because of the coffee, alright? You sickos. Okay, I think we have enough. We're crafting a lot of these things over here. Then afterwards, we could build a space elevator. I like how we from drones and building stuff, we are now building a freaking space elevator. Okay, now I think we have enough. I forgot I could slide in this game. Like freaking Apex Legends. Okay, we are going to launch you.
Milestone
Then
reached. The
we
Fix-It
could
jump
get
pad
this.
combines high technology and innovation
And this
for
as well.
optimized factory traversal and an ideal travel experience.
Let's just grab you.
Clarification. Ideal travel experience not guaranteed. Individual results may vary.
Question, how do we...
Pioneers are responsible for all workplace accidents resulting from jump pad usage.
Jump pad! Oh my god, I could see the thing. Okay, you know what? We could have like an elevator for a jump pad here. Like we could... You know what? Let's try it out. Let's try it out. Let's see where this will land us. Wait, why does it say that I could click on it? Oh, oh. Oh, okay. You know what? That's fine. What I could do is have like an elevator for a jump pad over here. This will be our jump pad elevator in this area. I don't know how we're going to do it, but let's just try it out. So if we are down here, we could just have a jump pad near a base, I guess. So the question is, how reliable is this? Do you need power? Oh, it needs power. 5 megawatts of power? You are insane, dude. So that is going to take power. So question is, how the heck is going... Okay. Honestly, that's pretty good. Like, we could have like a jump pad area to just fling us right over the place. Anyway, how the heck do I create space elevator? 1,500? And you know what? I think we have that already, right? Wait, first of all, we could utilize... how much do we need? Okay. Wires. No, you're here somewhere. Wires. Iron plates. Do you have iron plates left in this storage compartment over here? Yes, you know what? Let's destroy you. Look at this. We're cleaning up the place. Look at that. We're cleaning up. We don't really need you anymore. Need you anymore. And you know, like in this area, like we could probably do... Like, check this out. Let us have a ramp first. So at least I know we will be aligned. Okay, so what we could do is have yoink. I know this is going to take a lot of power, but if ever do we want to go upstairs, we could literally just do this. And if we want to go down safely, we're missing biomass? Okay, this needs biomass? Okay. That's a new thing. Crafting using biomass. Can I like have that, please? Can I like have biomass somewhere? Okay, give me that. And then I'm just going to connect you. Oh my gosh, this looks so green. I love it. Let's have it over here. Then let's connect you. And you. Look at this. Oh my god, it looks so fun. Okay, so if I want to go up, we're here. And if we want to go down safely... Okay, okay, you know what? That's cool. That's pretty cool, all things considered. Okay, let's try to go up. So this would be like our elevator of some sort. Yoink. Then let's get the iron plates. Okay, the question is, where the heck do we put this? How big is this anyway? I assume it's big. It's a freaking space elevator. Oh my gosh. I didn't expect it to be this big. Okay, you know what? It's fine. Let's build it here, I guess. Let's deforest this area. Let's build it over here. And that will be, I think, the end of this stream. A really good progress. I'd like to destroy this thing before we go. Okay, here's the thing. Conveyor belt. Yoink. Okay, can I like fit you over here? Do I? Okay, you know what? Fine, let's delete this. Mass dismantle. Okay, we don't really need this. Let's just expand that way. This would be like our base, like our ground floor. So foundation. Zip. Zoop. Okay, we are going to need more concrete to build it, but is this enough? At least like we have enough space. I assume I need more, right? Okay. Am I overestimating this? Okay. This is giving me... Just build 2 more. And let's grab the concrete. Pam 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 pam. We are building the space elevator, baby. The elevator to space. Okay, we have enough. At least. Okay, now let's see how big this is. I assume I can't place a roof on this thing, right? Okay, it's way bigger. What the heck? Or is it just right? Or it has freaking conveyor belts on the side. What the heck? Okay, I think this is fine. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at that. That is insane. Wow. Oh, wow. Look at that. Ooh, ooh. What's it doing? What's it doing? Oh, that's so cool. Damn, that looks sick. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's connecting. Oh, that's sick, dude. Okay, so I guess those... Oh, it's connecting to the space orbital thing. Wow. That's insane.
Project assembly initialized.
Let's
Congratulations,
freaking go.
Pioneer. The
This
space
is
elevator
sick.
will now automatically connect with the Project Assembly orbital platform. Project assembly is divided into phases, each of which require
Okay.
the delivery of project parts, such
Let's
as smart
complete the
plating,
phases
via the
first.
space elevator. Subsequent phases unlock access to new tiers with more advanced technologies to construct, automate,
Okay.
explore, and exploit.
Yes.
It is time to be honest. This project is part of the Save the Day program, the
Save the
largest
Day
united
program.
undertaking in human history, destined to save us all.
Yes,
Earth
thank
is in
you.
peril, and only Fix-It pioneers offer hope for survival. Fix-It is counting on you. Humanity is counting on you.
humanity
Do
is
not let
counting on me?
Fix-It down.
Yes, do not let fix it down. Thank you, thank you. Could I like utilize... the thing. So I need 50 of those special things in order to create the smart stuff. I need 50 of those to be able to create what do you call this?
Milestone reached. You have been given access to the anti-waste effort
Yes.
for stress testing of materials on Exoplanet's bonus program, also known as Awesome.
Awesome.
Your
Awesome.
input allows Fixit to comprehend our amazing
Awesome shop?
universe more clearly.
What the heck is this?
In appreciation of this, we have generously set up an internal, closed economy with exclusive rewards
What the
and
heck?
currency.
Oh my god, it's huge.
Directing parts of varying quantity and complexity into the awesome resource
is
sink
this like
will
a
grant
resource?
Fixit
Wait, it is a
coupons.
sink. So basically,
These coupons can be redeemed in the awesome shop
could
for
create
highly desirable items such as new
dark mode, please.
foundations, walls, factory attachments, cosmetics,
Ooh.
parts, and more. Next time you have additional resources,
Oh.
just remember to go that extra kilometer. Go awesome.
so I could literally. Oh, I could have mounts, ceiling mounts, conveyor lift, floor hole. Okay, this is insanely good. Wall power outlets, organization. This is insane. Foundation, half foundation. Oh, corner foundation. Wow. Okay, this is insane. Walls, architecture, catwalks, Okay, so if I have time, I could probably do this. Oh, I could get coffee cups. Oh, I could get these things. Okay. That's pretty nice. So I just sink all the stuff that I don't need in towards the awesome sink, I guess. So if I place you here. Okay. Okay, you know what? I'm just going to remove you. I don't really need you right now. You're not in my priority list. I apologize. Let's see what else we can get here. Logistics Mark II. Do we have enough of those? Yes, I think we have enough of those. 200, 300. Yeah, I'm just going to get more of the iron plates. And after that, we are completing phase 1, baby. More iron plates. And phase 1, I need the smart ones. The question is, how the heck do I create those? The smart freaking plates. Yoink. Yoink. And then... Okay, how do I create the smart plates? I know I can't handcraft it, but at least can I see like how it's made? So at least I could ready myself on the freaking endeavor we're going to go through. Pam 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 pam. Okay, I'm just going to get you. We're crafting it a bit slowly, but at least we're doing all the things that we can do. Anyway, production assembler. Let's see what you can do. You know, fine. You win this time, foundation game. Give me overlapping objects. Oh, you're overlapping it. Okay, assemblers. Okay. Smart plating. Oh my god, it requires the one we crafted, dude. Okay, this is going to take a while. But at least it's simple enough that we could... Okay, you know what? Let's just place you so at least we have like a basis. 2 per minute? Oh my god, it takes 2 per minute? And what's your crafting rate? 5 per minute. That's insane. It's not even perfect. It's going to take a long time. Okay, so we could... Honestly... Since you guys literally just get the like metal and iron, right? So I could probably utilize the other vein, like, you know, that other base. We could probably utilize that in order for us to like create the smart plates in the next stream, I guess. Like, we could have like full saturation, and plus it would not affect our existing production. So at least we have some surplus in case we need it in our own crafting. And then if we have a bottlenecks and stuff, we could just do it. And then yeah, we could just do this. Oh yeah, we need more concrete. Concrete. Here you go. I'm losing concrete. I need to slow down the foundation building, dude. Pam concrete. Yes.
Milestone reached. Fixit would like to remind you of your contractual obligation towards efficiency. Recreational use of belts and lifts does not count towards work hours and will put you on the list.
Oh no.
Stay efficient. Don't disappoint, Fixit.
Conveyor lift Mark 2. So I could literally just upgrade. Can I upgrade some of these things? How do I upgrade? How do I upgrade existing belts? Is there like an upgrade function of some sort? Oh my god, there's a freaking... Can I have conveyor belt Mark 2? Ooh, I could. Okay, so your problem is that you're taking too much time. So if I do this, conveyor belt Mark 2, yoink. So you're like a faster version. Similarly, okay. That's really expensive, but if you look at this, now these guys would not be backed up anymore, right? In a similar situation, I could do it the same over here. Conveyor belt Mark 2. Can I Okay. Yoink. How much do I need 18 more. So at least with this, I could have very efficient rotors. Mark 2 belts are insane. Okay. Mark 2. Okay, so with this, everything is a Mark 2 belt now. And we are very efficient in a sense. Especially these guys. So can you see the difference? Is there a difference that I could notice? And it's just faster. At least with this, these guys would not be backed up anymore. They could craft all they want. Okay. Whoo, baby. At least we got some upgraded belts now. We could have more efficient use. They're gonna take some time, and I believe... How much do I need? I just need a lot of reinforce, so I think I could automate that in the next area. I could just automate these things to be full saturation of these things. Reinforced iron ones. Especially with the existing conveyor belts. We could have... I just need these to do all the talking for me. Anyway, what else can we do while we're waiting here? Since, I still have a few hours that... a few minutes, not hours. A few minutes before I'm gonna end the stream. Let's try to research something here. For example... Let's research this. Alien DNA capsule. Medicine inhaler.
Research completed. Alien protein can now be turned into biomass or alien DNA capsules. In addition to being used for
infinite pocket
research, the
dimension.
invaluable alien lifeform data
Scannable
in these
enemies.
capsules can be traded for Fixit coupons at the Awesome Sink. We guarantee the best
can't
capsule
afford
to
that
coupon
yet.
exchange rate anywhere on this planet.
Okay, how the heck do we craft those? The alien DNA capsule? Oh, I need alien protein. Okay. I need to fight more aliens, but I don't want... Oh my god, it looks so cool. The jelly looks so cool under the freaking thing. So anyway, let's try to go up there, honestly. You know what? Since we... How much is our power? Okay, we're still doing fine. We could afford... Use the jump pad. Like, go up there. Nope. Because I want to see my base from up above, baby. Okay, can I like... Oh, it's still too freaking high. How about here? Is this enough? Really, dude? Oh, you know what? I have an idea. I have a freaking idea. Give me... Where's the jump pad? I think this part is way lower, I believe. So if I just do this... Nope, make it a bit closer. Like so. Okay, that's too close. How about this one? You know what? Let's try it out. Just a bit closer. Okay, that should allow it, right? Come on, please tell me. Oh my god, am I inside? Oh my god, that scared the crap out of me. Okay, is it? Okay. Okay, that's not enough. Okay, I need more power. Or maybe just here. How about here? Can I like fit here? Okay, you know what? That's fine. Give me connection again. Give me the power. Green. Yoink. Frick. I was so close. Okay, let's do it again. A yoink. Oh, come on, dude. I was so close. I just want to get up there, brother. And you know what? Fine. Game, you're like that. I'm just going to increase your height. Now that should be way easier to get to let me be up there, right? Fine, game, you're like that. I just want to see my freaking factory and you're like that. Finally. Okay, while that's happening, get me the leaves. Look at that. Look at our factory, dude. Wait, hold on. Like, look at the factory, dude. Look at that. Our factory is insane. Look at... So my plan next time, I would probably utilize like a higher floor, like probably this floor, or maybe just expand this way, or maybe, you know, we can utilize this floor as well, and basically have like an entire what do you call this, system for creating the smart plates. And look at that. Oh my god, that's so cool. But yeah, anyway, let me save the game. Let's create smart plates. Save the game. And then yeah, I think I'm gonna end that stream right there, guys. Before we leave, let's try to rate on a Satisfactory streamer. And oh my god, the Unreal Engine freaking sense. So anyway, hopefully guys you enjoyed the stream. I will send you guys off. VOD viewers, thank you for watching. And if you did, be sure to click that like button, subscribe if you want more. Upload new videos every day. Be sure to check them out as well. And as per usual, have a great day today, guys. See you guys in the next stream and watch my videos. Bye-bye.